Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 31. The perpendicular bisector of a line xy is the locus of a point whose distance from x is always twice its distance from y, b whose distance from y is always twice its distance from x, b which moves on the line xy, and d which is equidistant from points x and y. Now the question says the perpendicular bisector of a line xy. Now let's, for instance, we have a line xy like this, x and y, and this is the center of this line. Now the question says the perpendicular bisector of a line xy is the locus of a point. Now when you have a perpendicular bisector, that is when you bisect this line from here, you have an arc like this, from here an arc like this, the same thing too down from here and down from here. Now when you join these two lines together, you have a perpendicular bisector like this. Now this perpendicular bisector will be equidistant from this point x and y, that is the distance of this locus, this bisector here, this locus here, this point here is a locus, this point is a locus of the point. Now the distance from x will be equal to the distance of y, so therefore we can say it was what? It is equidistant from the points x and y, because here and here will be equal when you measure it. Take for instance the length of the line is 10 centimeter. Here now will be 5 centimeter and here will be 5 cm, so it is equidistant. So the answer is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.